you guys, are you ready? I got my materials. I hope you went and got your materials. So what I tell you you needed. This, what is this? This is a muffin tin. And it has, how many muffins can you make in this tin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're not going to make muffins, but if you were going to make muffins, you'd make 6 muffins. What's your favorite kind of muffin? My favorite kind of muffin is chocolate chip. I'm just saying. I don't know what you guys like, but chocolate chip's pretty good, right? All right, so then I said we needed paper, scissors and tape. So the goal here is that we're going to put a little piece of color, paper, in each section. So I would like you to start with red. So we're going to cut, you can either do a circle, doesn't really matter, you can make it the size of the tin, the round part, whatever you guys want to do. So like I got a circle, it's a little bit big, just kind of shove it in there. If you make it bigger, then you don't need your tape because we want it to stay in there. So I have red, everybody got red, then we're going to do, what color is this? I hope you said blue. So we're going to do blue. Just cut around. You guys know how to cut circles. If you need an adult to draw you a circle and then you cut it out, please make sure you are cutting it out. Don't let your sibling, your brother, your sister, your mom, your dad, don't let them cut it out. You cut it out. So remember, they can do this for you too. They can draw this circle. So there, they drew a circle for you, and you just take your scissors and you chomp, chomp, chomp. Chomp that black line so that you make your own circle. So that's the plan, to make your own circle. So that's the blue one. I already got blue. All right, so after blue, what's this? Yellow, yellow. So you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut a circle out. You are going to cut the circle out. If it's traced on here, that's perfectly fine, but I want you to practice, especially those of you that are going to kindergarten. You have to be doing this yourself. Mommy and Daddy can't do it for you. You have to cut. So you try. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, just so long as it goes inside your muffin tin. And you can use tape. I got the tape out in case it was too small and it wouldn't stay. This one's like kind of big, kind of small, so then I'll just stick it in there. So there we go. So we have blue, red, yellow. All right, the next color is, what's this color? Orange. So we're going to do an orange circle. We're going to cut out the orange circle. It's not a very good circle. Okay. Oh, I think I need a little bit of tape to make it stick. Put my tape. Orange. All right, how many more colors do I need? So this circle, this tin is empty, so 1, 2. All right, so the next colors, I would like you to do green. I did not have any green construction paper. Can you believe that? So, look what I'm going to do. I'm going to make my own green. So I made my circle. I'm going to color it in so that I have green. But if you have green construction paper, go ahead and cut out your circle for green. I had to make my own green. I could not find green construction paper, you guys. It's okay. No worries. I have green crayons. So then the green goes in there. It's a little small, but that's okay. Doesn't have to fill the circle. All right, so the green. And then there's one more. So I think the last color is going to be brown. And again, I did not have any brown paper. So I'm going to find my brown crayon or a marker, whatever you have. And I'm going to make my brown circle. Color it in. Okay. Got my brown. There's my brown, kind of a light brown. So I'm going to chomp. Remember, thumbs up, fingers down. The thumb, see, thumbs up. It's like you're saying thumbs up, but you put it inside. Fingers on the bottom. And this is our alligator. He's going to chomp, chomp. Got to hold and turn your paper. Chomp, chomp, chomp. There's my brown. It's a little small. I need my tape. Stick it in there. All right. Are all my circles filled? Do they have colors? Kind of like rainbow. So we have orange, yellow, red. This one was my brown, green, and blue. All right, so next we have to write numbers onto our circles. So I would get a marker. My crown probably wouldn't show up very well. So in the red circle, find your red circle. Mine's right here. In the red circle, I want you to put the number 1. So this is a 1. It also looks like a little L, but we're going to call it a 1. Okay? So this is a 1. So did you guys see that? All you do is make one line down to make a 1. Okay? So that's our 1 in the red circle. All right, so next we're going to move to the blue circle, and we're going to make the number 2. All right, so 2. We're going to make it 2. All right, so there's my 2. Okay, if you can't make a 2, mommy or daddy or an adult, brother and sister who knows how to do it can make a 2 either in yellow marker or they can do the dots. So you can make it in yellow or the dots. So if you do dots, you just do dots as a number 2. All right, so then you would trace it. That's backwards. Then you would trace the 2, okay? So 1, 2, what's next? What number is that one? That's a 3. So in our yellow circle, we're going to make the 3. Like that. There's the 3. So I have a 3 in there. Again, if you can't make a 3, then somebody can dot it. I'll show you how to dot it. Just take dots, go make it look like a 3, and then you, room 4, can trace it with your marker, okay? But don't have mommy and daddy make all your numbers for you. I need you to try, and I know you all know how to trace. So if you need to trace it, then you need to trace it. But we are practicing. Mommy and daddy know how to do this stuff. I need you to do it, okay? All right, so that's our 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in our green circle, we're going to make a 4. So there's my 4 in my, what color? Green circle. I hope you guys are following directions, okay? So 4 in the green circle. Again, you can write it yourself or an adult can dot it or write it in yellow and you trace over it, okay? I want to see either you made it or I want to see the dots or the yellow, okay? Cool. All right, so, and then in this circle, the orange, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one hand. 5. So in the orange circle, you're going to make or trace the number 5. Okay? There's the 5. Trace or you write. Okay? All right. We got one more. We're going to have to add another hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add another one. 6. All right, it's our last number, I promise. So in the brown circle, I need you to make or trace a 6. Okay? Are all of our circles, do they all have a number? Yes, they do. So we're going to count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have our rainbow tray made. Now, what you guys have to do is you have to go find something small in your house that fits in here. But it has to be this color and this number. You get it? So I'm going to go look for something red in my house. But I only have to find one thing that is red because this is the number 1. So I will find a red item and I will put it inside the circle. Okay? Then I'm going to go around my house and I'm going to look for something blue. But how many things do I have to find? 2. So I have to go around my house and find 2 small items that are blue. Okay? 2. Then I have to go around my house and look for something yellow. How many things do I have to find that are yellow? 3. Only 3 items that are yellow. Then we have to go to green. It's getting bigger, isn't it? And then you have to find 4 items that are green. Then we got to go to orange and find 5 orange items. And then 6 brown items. I think this might be kind of hard, but I want you guys to do it, okay? If it's a little bit bigger than the circle because you just can't find something small enough, that's okay too. And if you find 6 beans or 6 something that's brown, you can put 6 beans in there. They don't have to be 6 different items. They just have to be brown, but they have to match the number. Okay, so I'm going to turn this video off and I'm going to go find my items and I'll make another video showing you my stuff. Okay, so you go do yours. Maybe have mommy take some pictures. You can take pictures at the end. You can take pictures of you making this. I'd love to see you cutting. I'd love to see you tracing the numbers. Whatever you want to do, just try and send me like 1 picture, okay? 1 picture. I want to see everybody's work today. All right, so I'm going to stop the video. So this will be our rainbow color math 1 video. So I'm going to come back and make video number 2, okay? So on your mark, get set, go. Go find your items, guys.